Hello students, welcome to Hari Chemistry. So this lecture, so we will construct the molecular orbital diagram of a cyclic organic compound, that is benzene. So here it is an aromatic compound. So the molecular formula is C6H6. So I will write the structure here. So this is the 6 carbon atoms are in, it is a planar molecule. So double bond, double bond, double bond. Here you can see double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond here. So all the pi bonds are in delocalization. Okay, so I will write the another resonance structure of this Kekule 1. So this is the Kekule 2 structure, student. So what it represents, the pi bonds are not rigid. So means here if the pi bond is migrated to here, so we will get this one. So this pi bond is migrated to here, so we will get this one. So this pi bond is migrated from here, so we will get. So this is 1 and 2. So these two structures are resonance to each other. Clear, student? So this is a C6H6 molecule, student. So generally the benzene molecule is a planar molecule. So here we are seeing like this, it is vertical molecule, but not it is a vertical molecule, student. Here, so this is horizontal molecule. So the lobes are present above and below, not like this. So here the lobes are present above and below the plane, above the plane, below the plane. All 6 carbon atoms are in horizontal plane only. So one above the plane, one lobe is above the plane, and another one is below the plane. Okay, so here I will construct the simple molecular orbital picture of benzene. Here you can see, here we know each and every carbon has sp2 hybridization, already we know very well. Here I will write the orbital diagram of benzene molecule. Here you can see, so this is the carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it is 6 carbon atoms are there. Here lobe 2, here lobe, here you can see, so this is the lobe. These orbitals are overlapping. Here you can see, so these orbitals are overlapping. These are hybridized orbital. So these are the hybridized orbital. These are the hybridized orbital. Okay, so each carbon is having hydrogen atom. So this is 1s orbital, hydrogen atom. So this is hydrogen atom. So this is hydrogen atom. So this is hydrogen atom. This is hydrogen atom, and here you can see this is the hydrogen atom. Okay, right. So here the pz electron will be there. So each carbon atom is having one pz electron, student. Here you can see, so this is the here, so this is, I will show with the blue color. Here you can see, so this is the pz orbital. So this is the pz orbital overlapping over here. So this is the pz orbital, and here you can see, so this is the pz orbital of this carbon atom, and here you can see this is the pz orbital of another carbon atom here. So this is the pz orbital of this carbon atom, and this is the pz orbital of this carbon atom. Okay, so here, so this pz orbital of this carbon atom and this carbon atom are overlapping. So this carbon atom overlapping. So here you can see double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. Okay, so double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. Okay, so this is the sigma bond and this is pi bond. So this is pi bond and this is sigma bond here. So this is sigma bond, and here, student, so this is the sigma bond and this is pi bond. Okay, so this is the sigma bond. So this is the pi molecular orbital, so picture of benzene molecule. Okay, right. So here how many carbon atoms are there, student? So 6 carbon atoms are there. So means 6 carbon atoms are there means nothing but here we have 6 pz orbital. Okay, so these 6 pz orbitals are in plane. So these 6 pz orbitals are in plane. So here, so these 6 pz orbitals so will give 6 pi molecular orbital diagram, 6 pi molecular orbital diagrams. Okay, student, right here. So this is the potential energy. So this is the potential energy. So potential energy. Okay, right. So here I will write the, so this is, here you can see, so the 6p orbital, pz orbital I will write here. So this is the 6 pz orbital, student. So here it is a planar molecule. So we know very well here this is the orbital 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here, so we have 6 pz orbitals are there. So these 6 pz orbital will give 6 pi molecular orbital diagrams. Okay, right. So I will write the first energy level diagram, student. So here this is the first pz level. So 1, 2, 3. So here it is right. The lobes I will write here, student. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here all the lobes are shaded, student. All the lobes are the, here the shaded. So means here, so in this lower energy level already we know, already we discussed in earlier class. So means that is in lowest energy levels, so 0 number of nodes will be present. So means all are bonding interaction. So here, so you can see, so the bonding interaction between, so here and here. So the bonding interaction between here and here. So the bonding interaction between here and here. So the bonding interaction between here and here. So here the bonding interactions are possible. So here all the bonding interactions are there here. So what it indicates, how many bonding interactions are there, student? 6 bonding interactions are there. So means you can assume, so this is the C1 carbon, C2 carbon, C3 carbon, C4 carbon, C5 carbon, C6 carbon here. So C1 to C2, C2 to C3, C3 to C4, C4 to C5, C5 to C6 again. So here how many bonding interactions are there? 6 bonding interactions. How many nodes are there? So 0 number of nodes are there. Right. So next energy level. So these here we can call it as, here it is a pi system. So or you can call it as psi1 or psi2, whatever it is, student. So this is the 2 electrons. So here it is how many pi bonds we have in benzene molecule? So 3 pi bonds are there, student. How many pi electrons are there? 6 pi electrons are there. Okay, clear, student. So here, so this is, you can assume, so it is a psi1. So this is bonding molecular orbital. Okay, so this is the bonding molecular orbital. Okay, so these 2 energy level orbital. So this is 1, and so this is 2. So these 2 molecular orbitals with the same energy level, student. So same energy level. So this is psi2 and this is psi3. So psi2 and psi3. Here also I will write the, so molecular orbital. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, student. Here also I will write, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, student. Okay, so here I will write the number of nodes. Here you can see, so here the nodal plane, here I am cutting the molecule from in this way, student. So what it represent, so the nodal planes are there from here and here. Okay, so the second nodal plane here I will write, so it passing through the carbon atom. So here it passing in between the carbon atom. It is not passing through the carbon atom. It is passing center. It is passing through the, so bond. It is passing through the center of the carbon atom. But here it is passing through the carbon atoms only. So here, so two types of nodal planes are there, psi2 and psi3. Here also the number of electrons here I will write here. So this is one set and this is two set student here. So in this set we have two electron, here also we have two electrons. Okay, so this is we can call it as psi2 and psi3 level. So this is HOMO level. So this is HOMO level. So means highest occupied molecular orbital. Okay, clear students. So here we will represent. So here student, so this is the psi2 and psi3. Okay, so here, so we have two nodal planes here, so this one and this one. So how to remember this nodal plane student? So here, so these top one, so these top lobes are above the plane, so you can shade with these lobes student from this side. All the lobes you can shade above one, and from this side you can shade the bottom one. So here you can shade bottom one, you can shade bottom one. So this is the easy to remember, easy to construct the molecular orbital energy level diagram. Clear students? So here, so this is the overlapping. So this is the overlapping. Okay, so this is the overlapping. Here, so shaded, unshaded. So the node is present here. So the overlapping is present here. The overlapping, but here there is no low, means there is no interaction. So because shaded, unshaded. So this is easy to remember student. What you will do, it is easy to trick. So this side, so here the bond is the nodal plane, here I am cutting from this side. So you can do what you will do, these above planes you can shade, and here this side, so from left side you can shade with the bottom lobe. So that is easy to remember. So here also you can see, so here student, so here you can classify, so these three here and these three here. So here, so you can shade, so you can shade these three lobes student. So these you can shade these three lobes here. So 1 2 and so this is the, you can shade these three lobes. Okay, so you can shade, so these three lobes, so the bottom you can shade. Okay, so this is the bottom you can shade. So this is easy to, it is easy to remember student. Okay, so there is no need to by heart this construction of molecular orbital energy level diagram. Here you can see, here we have the bonding interaction, here we have bonding interaction. So here there is no bonding interaction, means nothing but student, here the one nodal plane will be present. Okay, right, here also you can see this is the nodal plane will be present here. So this is the bonding interaction, so this is the bonding interaction. So in this case student, how many nodes are there student? The two nodes are there student. How many nodes are there student? Two nodes are there. So how many bonding interactions are there? 4 bonding interactions are there. So this is psi2 and psi3 level. So in the psi3 and psi2 and psi3 level student, so the each orbital has 2 electrons in each orbital set. Okay, right. So then this is the energy barrier student. So this is the energy barrier. So then the next level is here, this is also equal energy level student here. So this is the psi4 and psi5. So this is psi4 molecular orbital picture student. So this is a psi, so this is anti-bonding molecular orbital student. So this is psi star 4 and this is psi star 5 student. So here also I will write. So first of all you can write with the pz orbitals. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 student. Here also 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, right. So here generally the nodal planes student, here you can see, so the nodal planes like this student, so the nodal planes like this here, so the nodal planes like this student. So here, so generally here we have, so 4 nodal planes are there, so only 2 bonding interactions are there, so only 2 bonding interactions are there. Okay, right here, so I will shade like this one student. So this is bonding interaction is there. Here I will do, so top one and bottom one. So here the top lobes are I shaded here, the bottom lobes are I shaded here. So you can imagine, so here the bonding interaction is there, the bonding interaction is there. Okay, so the remaining all are, so here, so you can write like this, you can write like this. Okay, so here, so this is Right. So this is top lobe is I shaded. So this is the bottom lobe I shaded, student. So this is the top lobe and top lobe. So the bonding interaction is there. The bonding interaction is there. Okay. So here this is bottom I will shade. Okay. Right. Here you can see. So this is the nodal plane, student, here. So we have nodal plane here. So this is the nodal plane, student. So this is the nodal plane and this is the nodal plane and this is the nodal plane. So how many nodal planes are there, student? So here, so the nodal plane is like one, and so this is another nodal plane, student. So here how many nodal planes are there, student? So this is psi star 4. So here in this case the 4 nodes are present. So only 2 bonding interactions are possible. 2 bonding interactions are possible. Okay, right. So 4 nodes and 2 bonding interactions. So this is psi star 4 and psi star 5. So this is LUMO energy level. So LUMO energy level, there is no electron here. So how many nodes are there, student? So 4 nodes are there, and how many bonding interactions are there? Only 2 bonding interactions are there, right? So how to represent from psi star molecular orbital, student? So you can take the a nodal plane from this axis, and you can take another nodal plane from this axis. Clear, student? So here, so you can shade these 2 lobes, student. So you can shade these 2 lobes. So here we have only 2 bonding interaction. Okay. So here also this shaded and this is unshaded, student. Okay. So here we have nodal plane. Okay. So this you can shade, student. So here we have only, so this is the bonding interaction. So this is unshaded. Clear, student? So here we have one nodal plane. So this is the nodal plane. Okay, so this is the nodal plane. Here this is the nodal plane and this is the nodal plane. So here we have the 4 nodal planes and 2 bonding interactions are present. So the last one, so this is the pi 6 molecular orbital. So that is the psi star 6 molecular orbital, student. So this is the higher energy molecular orbital. So this is the higher energy molecular orbital. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you do, student? So one shade, another is unshaded. So you can do, so one top load, one top and another bottom. So this is bottom, then you can do top. So this is bottom and you can do top, and this is bottom. So here we have one node, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here how many nodes are there, student? So 6 nodes are there. Here is there any bonding interaction? So no bonding interaction. So 6 nodes and 0 bonding interaction. So this is the higher energy state, student. So this is, we can represent it as psi star. So this is anti-bonding molecular orbital here also. So these are the bonding molecular orbital. So these are the bonding molecular orbital. So this is the molecular orbital in diagrams of benzene molecule. Okay, so clear, student? So this is easy to remember and this is easy to remember. Here all the lobes are, all the top lobes are, you can above the plane you can shade, and here you can do, so one above the plane and another one is below the plane, above the plane, below the plane, it is. So in this case what you will do, student? So you can cut the molecule from by the mid of the carbon atom. So you can classify left side and right side. So first of all you can do the left side, you can the top loads are above the plane, you can shade, and here in this case you can shade with the below the plane. Here also you can cut the molecule. So here the plane which is passing through the center of the carbon atom, student, here what you can do, so this plane above the plane, the top lobes you can shaded you to the top lobes, and here you can shade with the bottom lobes. So this is easy to remember in examination point of view. Here also you can see the student here. So this is passing through the center, student. So these two lines are joined at the center. So here you can see, so when it is passing from here to here, student, so one nodal plane will be present. Here one nodal plane, here one nodal plane, another nodal plane. So the remaining you can do, so you can shade with these two lobes. You can shade with these two lobes. So the bonding interactions are there here. So here also the same thing. So here one plane is passing through the center of the carbon atom, another plane is passing through the carbon atoms. Okay, right. So here the 2 bonding interaction, 4 nodes are there, here 6 nodes and 0 bonding interactions are present. So this is the construction of pi molecular orbital diagram of benzene molecule. Okay, clear student? Right.